Today I have the absolute pleasure to introduce one of the finest, most beautiful properties I've ever marketed. We're in Aginshill Drive in Monkton Heathfield to see this 5-bedroom detached property with double driveway. My vocabulary cannot do this property justice, so please, I'm really looking forward to showing you around. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Told you so. If you would like to book a viewing on this property or would like me to come and value your home, please do let me know. I'll speak to you soon.